long that ride a lot are called blue crummies. The striped fish close to the surface, between black and yellow, are called sergeant major fish. It wears the same number of stripes and colors as a sergeant major wear on the uniform. The silver ones with the blue strap on the doors are called barjacks. Also, some people know these fish with the name of blue runners. Well, we just got the end of the coral reef. Our captain will start to turn around our boat in a moment. So we will start our view up on the left side of our boat. Thank you to wait. In a moment you will enjoy this place also, okay? Any questions, just let me know.